Alrighty, so now I'm ready to save this presentation board as a PDF. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is review my board. All right, so I'm going to have a look, and it all looks pretty good. Oh, except for this image here, which has now got a red hexagon in it with a question mark. Okay, this is because during the course of me working on this presentation, and maybe I decided to tidy up my computer or download some other images, I moved the location of this image file. All right, so what I need to do is I need to relink it because the link's disappeared, and that means it won't display correctly in my PDF. All right, so I can do that in two ways. I can come over to my panel here where it says links, click links, and then where the red question mark is, that's the one that's missing, and I can double click here, or I can just double click straight away on the question mark on my image. I'm just going to do it from here, and it will automatically open your Finder or your window. All right, and then you navigate through to find the image again. So I'm going to click on the image here because I just moved it to my desktop and click open, and I can see that it has now disappeared. So one last time I'm going to hit W just to check my board. Yep, I'm happy with that. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click File, Export. All right, and that means that I can start saving it as a PDF. Now, I always want to make sure that my format is Adobe PDF Print. Okay, I'm going to call it Retail Concept Board, and I'm going to place it on my desktop. All right, and I'm going to click Save. And then this is going to come up. All right, and I can choose what kind of quality I want. So I'm going to choose high quality. Do I want all the pages or just one of the pages? Okay, do I want to export them as one individual page each or as spreads with pages next to each other? All right, compression. I'm not going to change any of this because I don't want to downsample any of this. I've just made sure that my image quality is always maximum. Right, and then my output, I'm just going to check no color conversion. All right, so I'm going to come back to general. I'm happy with this information that it's giving me, and I'm going to click export. All right, and it's saved it as a PDF. Now what I need to do is make sure that I've saved this as an InDesign file. So what I'm going to do is click File, Save, and then I'm going to keep this on my board as well. And you can choose your on my desktop as well, and you can choose format, and I'm going to call it InDesign CC 2008 template document. Sorry. If you create it as a template, it means you can go back and reuse the same layout over and over again. But for me, I'm happy with document, so I'm going to click Save. Okay, so when I then come back to my desktop, I can see that I have got my InDesign file here. INDD is the native InDesign format, and then I've also got my retail concept board here as a PDF. All right, so that is how you can create a board in InDesign. Thanks, guys.